Explore the mysteries of HairLuminance and unlock the secrets of timeless beauty. Within its pages lie ancient remedies whispered through the ages, promising to restore your hair to its fullest glory. Allow the allure of HairLuminance to draw you into a world where every strand tells a story of resilience and transformation. With each revelation, feel the whispers of the past guiding you towards a future adorned with radiant locks. With HairLuminance as your guide, your hair will become a canvas for the artistry of nature's finest ingredients. Allow HairLuminance to be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and allow each page to bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Experience the magic of HairLuminance firsthand and unlock the potential within your hair, igniting a spark of confidence that radiates from within. Take hold of your destiny and embark on a quest like no other. HairLuminance awaits those who dare to seek the truth, offering not just answers, but revelations that will forever change the course of your journey. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of hair transformation, one enigmatic revelation at a time, forging a bond that transcends the boundaries of time and space.